So it's doing all of you. So guys, am I audible? Okay, guys. So yesterday we started the first session of Oracle course. Right. So yesterday only the first class was started, guys. Here, okay. So this is session one. We started on yesterday, and we called that some things, a little bit information we discussed about your. Okay. So what we said here, just 5 minutes. Okay. So session one is called as in session one as okay, what we discussed. It's one of RDBMS product or tool. Okay, so okay. So there are two modules: object oriented and object relational. And in this relational model, which was considered like database for backend tool also. This was introduced to the Oracle Corporation in 1979. Okay, and the main cause of this Oracle. So, what is the main cause of Oracle means? To store your information. So, this is main the purpose why the people was using databases. Okay, and the Oracle can be deployed in any platform, any operating systems you can use now. Okay, Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. Any can use it. Okay, right. And the platform means what we discussed: a combination of operating system as well as microprocessor. We just make it okay platforms. And we all of you know this in IT industry. There are types of platforms are there. Okay, so in IT industry we have types of okay, right. So now, so guys, is it clear my voice or not? Okay, now check it out. Now check. Now check. Okay. Is it not clear? It's okay now. Now check it. Now check it out. It is clear now. Guys, check out now. Now is it clear? So, guys, am I audible? Am I audible? No, okay, please. Audible? Am I audible? Or is it okay? My voice is clear now? Check. Hello, hello, hello. So if you use guys your chat box, once you use it and open your chat box, yes or no? Is it clear or not? Okay, right, guys. So now let me come out and see. Okay, now let me come out and see yesterday. Okay, so we started here some introduction part of okay Oracle, and in this Oracle, okay, so what we discuss, guys, some introduction part like Oracle, what it exactly and what purpose we are going to be using, how we can go to deploy. So that information we discussed in the last session. Okay, right. And the next one we called as what now? What kind? That means what is platform? Okay, the platform types here. What kind of okay, when we called as our application will be platform independent, and when we called as our application is platform dependent. Okay, now, so these are some points discussed in the last class here. So platform dependence is nothing but what we said here. It supports only one operating system with any microprocessor.
Recording stopped.
So guys, now check it out, guys. Here. So am I audible? The voice is clear. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Maybe some network. Okay. Yeah, guys. So yesterday we started. Okay, some the introduction part, and now we can go to check it out here. Yesterday is only the one thing. Okay. So what we call here, yeah, okay, information. And we said finally, Oracle will be using for to store your data or information permanent manner. For that purpose, software, not almost every database. Okay, now every database we are using for the main cause of Oracle is what now? Okay, the main cause storage of your data or in this only. Okay, so we said here the platform. Okay, dependence and platform. Okay, so what is a platform independent and what is a platform dependence? We can go for check it out. So here, carefully observe. The platform dependent means it was supporting only one operating system with any microprocessor. Okay, now with only one operating system with any microprocessor is called as what now platform dependence. And these are all are the previous COBOL, Pascal, Fortran, C, C++. So these are all are called as what now platform dependent products or dependent languages we called. Okay, right. But whereas come to platform independent, what does it mean by platform independent means? Okay, the platform independent is nothing but
Recording in
it's support.
progress.
Okay, it's supporting offer. So any operating system with any microprocessor, it will be run or execute your application. Then we called as what now platform independent. And nowadays, almost most of the technologies are and most of the languages are platform independent only we called. Okay. Now these are the some examples. And in this, Oracle is also platform independent product we said. And after that, we discussed like versions of Oracle. And from 1979, the first version of Oracle was introduced by Oracle Corporation people. Okay. So the first version of Oracle 1.0, which was in 1979. So from there onwards, there are so many versions are introducing by Oracle Corporation. So up to 21C, and 21C is called as a very latest version we called. Okay, na? Very latest version we called up to now. But now in our course, we are learning Oracle 19 course. We are learning Oracle 19 course. Okay, right. And now we can come back. So now yesterday I said to you, okay, so in each version, what kind of features are introducing by people and what are those? Okay, so once we check it out, that complete list, okay, in each version, what kind of features are introduced here. And here, what is the mean by 8i as well as 10G as well as 12C? So what is the main here? Okay, let me come on and see. So I gathered some information from Oracle Corporation people. Okay, so these are some information to you about versions and each version. Okay, again we have some futures. So now let me come out and see. Okay, now you can see guys here. So the versions you can identify. Okay, so I was taken here version futures and each version what kind of futures are introducing by your Oracle people. Okay, let me find out and let me look at once. Okay, what is what? Okay, right. So now in 1979, so we said yesterday, it's the first, okay, the year which was introduced by Oracle and Oracle is called as 1.0. And this 1.0, okay, so what is the future means? It's not public released this version. So internally the company, okay, the people was used this version, but not in out of the company. Okay, not in publicly it was used and not it was released in the market. Okay, no, it was just internally they used. The 1980s, okay, the second version. And of course, it is a second version, but some people called as it is a first version of Oracle because public domain. Okay, it comes in the public domain. So it was released in the market, and so many companies are going to be using. From there onwards, it will be started. And in this version, what the people will be introduced here means the basic basic functionality means what's okay. It means that like DDL queries, DML queries, DQL queries, basic queries introducing in this version 2.0. Then after in 1982, Oracle 3.0. In Oracle 3.0, okay, so what it was means it is a first portable database. First portable database. Yeah, portable means what? What is the mean by portable? Okay, portable means what now? Moving from one location to another location. So that means my database servers can be easily move it from one to another locations. Okay, that kind of the mating by your Oracle Corporation people from 3.0. Okay. And 1984 Oracle 4.0 in this they introduced by using of subqueries. So there are so many methods we have here, read consistencies. Okay, no? That 1986, Oracle 5.0, and this is called as the first client server architecture. That means 1.1 to 4.0, it's only for server location. That means user can directly interact into the server and they will go to work on that. That's called a one layer architectures. Like we know that what single layer, two layer, three layer architectures are, we are listening that kind of words. So initially what it was happening, only we are interacting with the one layer. Okay, na? The single layer architecture we followed. But 5.0 onwards, what it was happening, client and server. That means that they are called as a two layers mechanisms are be followed here. So client will be separate, server will be separate, and server will keeping into somewhere, and the client will be keeping into somewhere. And whenever user interacting to the server, it's not directly going to interacted. It will be interacted with some client tools. Okay, so this kind of maintenance was happening from Oracle 5.0. Okay, that is a new thing. Client server architecture was introduced. And later introducing PLSQL. So previous up to 1.0 5.0, there is no PLSQL language. There is no PLSQL language. We have only SQL language was there from 6.0 onwards. So they introducing what now? PLSQL also. Okay, na? Right. And come to next one. In 1992, Oracle 7.0 is the next version was introducing here. In this, so many features are introducing by your what we called Oracle people, like integrity constants are introducing here. Okay, get data to varchar 2, it will be changes. Okay, so that means now varchar is going to be completely outdated data type. So we call third party that the people was given by varchar data type here. But later it was changing as varchar 2. So in the latest version from 7.0 onwards, we are using varchar 2, but not varchar. Okay, na? So varchar will be completely outdated here. And in place of varchar, we are using varchar 2. And later after that, stored procedures, stored functions, and as well as triggers. Stored procedures and stored function and to, okay, triggers. Okay, these are going to be introduced in 7.0. Okay, now, and the next one is called as, guys, here, the next attempt we called as 1997 Oracle 8.0. So in 8.0, they're introducing object-oriented features like function overloading mechanisms and making like binding. Okay, so encapsulations. So these kind of things we can do in this 8.0. And after that, we have the table partitions. So how we can make table in multiple parts or multiple portions, how we can divide your table. After that, they're introducing instant triggers. Okay, now these kind of features that came into 8.0. And then 98, Oracle 8, I stands for what now? Internet. So internet is nothing but called as the multimedia. Internet is nothing but we call as what now? Multimedia. Okay, here I stands for internet, and internet is nothing but what we called as a multimedia. Okay, now so that is what we are going to be taking in this. Okay, so that means here not only for characters, string format, and integer format, even though we can save the data like image files, audio files, video files. So these kind of the things we can go to save under databases from Oracle 8i. Here I stands for internet. Internet is nothing but multimedia operations. Multimedia operations how to store into our databases, like we call the audio files, like video files. So these kind of things that we can go to save. Okay, and along with that internet multimedia options, they're introducing like roll up, cube methods, columns, and columns was increased. Okay, for a table up to 1,000. So that means from 8i onwards, so your table columns are up to 1,000. We can go to design. Okay, that it was not there. It was very short limit was there. So 1 to 100 columns only supportable in the previous versions. But when you go for 8i, it was increased up to 1,000. So 1,000 columns can create in one single table. Okay, so that is that facility was there from Oracle 8i onwards. Okay, then after 8i, extension is called as Oracle 9i. In this and ANSI joints are introduced because previously the people are using non-ANSI joints. So, but later on, it was later the people was given a new style formats here that's called the ANSI joints. So that was introduced into 9A. And I will explain to you, these all are in our classes as per concepts wise. We are covering these all the things. Okay, so that's why what is ANSI joint, what is non-ANSI joint, okay, what is the difference into this two. Okay, this all we will discuss in the classes. Okay, right. And later, next one, 2004, Oracle 10G. Yeah, G stands for grid technologies. Grid technologies means what now? Centralized servers. That means not only one server, there are multiple servers we can maintain, but all multiple servers will be integrated with one main server. Okay, now that is called as a grid. So that means, for example, if this is your main server, if this is your main server, with this main server, the number of some group of servers can be integrated now. Okay, the group of servers can be integrated here. So this is server number one. Okay, this is server number two, and this is server number three. Okay, this is server number four. So all servers are to integrated with the main servers here. So that's why there are multiple server can be interacting with your main server. This is called as a grid technologies we call it. Okay, now. So this kind of facilities are going to be introducing here, and this is called as a centralized database server. Also, we can call it centralized database server. Also, we can call it. Okay, so that is what 11G grid. Okay, not only one server interaction, we will go to multiple server interactions are happening here. Okay, in 11G. And along with that, they're introducing what now? Introducing some admin side operations. What does the mean by admin side operation? Means some security related operations are they're introducing, like grant revoke commands, how we can go to give permissions to the users to do some kind of operations over databases. Okay, that what type of system privileges, object privileges, permissions, cancellation, role, okay, roles. These all are comes into admin side operations. And later flashback for you also introduced here, and indicator of classes and particular expressions. These are all are comes into Oracle 10G in grid technologies. Okay, now later 10G extension is called as what now? 11G. 10G extension, what we called as the 11G. In 11G, okay, what it was there, read only virtual tables, integer data types, okay, sequences, enable and disable triggers. Okay, these kind of facilities are introducing into 11G version. Okay, then after we have your Oracle 12C. Yes, C stands for cloud technology, we call it. Okay, so now we can see now everything is a cloud computing. Okay, so here Oracle is also supporting cloud application integration will be supported. That's why, and that supporting of cloud from where it is from Oracle 12C onwards, cloud integrations also possible with the Oracle. Okay, now so that's where the people was given. C stands for cloud technologies. Okay, so in this okay, cloud technologies, there are some what we called as some features like a truncated table cascades here, multiple indexes how to create it on table, and invisible columns, sequence sessions, new auto incremented by identities. So this kind of things are introducing in this version. Okay, then after it will be go for, okay, so 2018 the people was introduced here Oracle 18C, and in this they have some admin side operations are introducing here. Those are called as polymorphic table functions, active directory integrations. These are the features are introducing into 18C. And after that, in 2019 Oracle 19C was introducing here, and in this version again they are introducing some database admin operations like active data DML redirections, automatic index creations, and SQL query on object storages. So these are what now in each future, some new features are introducing by people. Okay. So in this all kind of, okay, so up to 18C, whatever the features are there, as per your concepts wise, all the features one by one, we can go to discuss in our classes. Then you will understand that what is the mean by read-only tables, what is the mean by administration, what is the mean by flashback, what is the mean by ANSI, okay, what is the mean by roll up and cube. These all the features we will see in our classes one by one. Okay, now. So these are now, and I already said to you, very latest version is what now, 21C, but still we have in this, okay, 19C only, because I already said to you yesterday. So in very latest versions are not immediately preferred by companies. So, okay, na? So by that reason only, they will not using 21C. Okay, still now in our many people still they are going to be working on 12C or 18C or else 19C. Okay, but not the people are using what now, 21C. Okay, so that is the reason we are also teach you the Oracle 19C only. We are teaching, and not only Naresh IT, even though almost every institution people they're teaching up to 19C versions only. Okay, na? So these are called as guys here version and version year, and which year which version is introduced here, and each version what kind of features are introducing by your Oracle Corporation people. Okay, this complete information I'm going to listing. I'm going to upload into Google Classroom, so don't worry about that. So complete notes I will go to send it. Okay, na? Right. So this is one part, guys. Here. Okay, but after that, let me go. After that, after working with your Oracle version and etc. Now, what is my next thing is what now? Now we need to install your software, and after getting this okay, so now how you need to get this Oracle 19C software. Okay, now how you get this Oracle 19C software and how to install. So that is what our important thing is. And now let me come out to take here how to so download Oracle 19C, okay, software, a 19C, okay, software here. Okay, now, so first I will go to explain here the how many types of versions we have here, and we discuss, and later how many types of editions are there and which edition we need to install. Okay, na? So which edition software we need to download and install, on which edition we are going to be working. Okay, that is also we are going to be discussing now. Okay, now, so before downloading of your Oracle, first we should know that Oracle software is available. Oracle software is available in how many editions? Okay, in how many editions is available? So Oracle, okay, software, first of all, observe. Oracle software is available, is available, is available in in two in two editions. Is available in two editions. In this two, first edition is called as here Oracle Express Edition, Oracle Express Edition, and the second one is called as here Oracle Enterprise Edition, Oracle Enterprise Edition. Okay, na? So these are the two things we have here, Oracle Express Edition and Enterprise Edition. But in these two editions, what is the differences, sir? And which edition we need to prefer to use here? Means, okay, Oracle Express Edition is called as a very basic edition of your Oracle software. Is very basic edition of Oracle software. So in this edition, you will not get the full-fledged features. You will not get the full-fledged features. Okay, na? Is very basic edition we called in our real time. Okay, na? But we are not getting full-fledged features. Okay, and now in real time, suppose you need to develop. Yes, of course, you need to develop your applications with Express and Enterprise also. But Express Edition will not give full-fledged features. Okay, na? So, but if you want it a full-fledged versions, you want it. Okay, so in industry application development side, mostly the people are using what now? Enterprise Edition is using. Mostly the people are using what now? Enterprise Edition they're using. Okay, now? So because Enterprise Edition will be supporting all the features of okay, all the features of Oracle. Understand now? So now what kind of the things we cannot do with Express Edition, sir? Okay, let me see. Oracle Express Edition, okay, it is called as it is a basic edition. It's a basic software here. Okay, software. It will not support or it will support. Okay, it will supports. It will supports. Okay, partial. Okay, partial futures. Supporting futures partially. Supporting futures partially. Partially means what now? Not full fledged. Okay, na? Partially means what now? Not a full fledged. Okay, na? So what are those? Means that okay, this kind of futures are not supporting. What is the supporting here? Recycle bins, comma, flashback commands. Okay, comma, purg statements, comma, okay, partition tables. Okay, partition table. So these kind of things will never support it. Okay, these are not allowed and not support. Not supports. Okay, so like so that means whatever I said just now, these futures you cannot implement under Oracle. Okay, Express Edition you cannot implement. Oracle Express Edition that's not supporting these futures. So that's why it is called a basic edition or basic software called, and it will supporting few futures only, supporting futures partially, not full fledged. Okay, right. Come to Oracle Enterprise Edition. Oracle Enterprise Edition is a complete edition. We called it is a full okay or complete edition, because why it is called a complete edition means it supports okay, supports all the futures. It supports or it's supporting all futures, supporting all futures in Oracle database. Okay, so whatever we are not implemented, what we are not implemented, same thing we can go to implement in your Oracle Enterprise Edition. So these are supported. Okay, now these are supported. So that's why what is my request to all of you? What is my request to all of you? Don't go for Express Edition. Don't go for Express Edition because some people, they already installed Express Edition maybe for their Java applications purpose. Yes or no? For their JDBC, JSP, servlets purpose. Some Java students are, they're going to be installing Oracle Express Edition. Okay, na? So you don't want to uninstall your Express Edition. You just keep it, no problem. You just keep it your Express Edition in your laptops or systems. Okay, but additionally, separately, Enterprise Edition also install. And some people are asking doubt, sir, is it possible to install the two editions can I install in my one system, in my one computer? Can I install Oracle 2 times or Oracle 2 editions can I installed? So that kind of doubt so many people are asking to you. Okay, now, and one point should be remember, guys, here, your wish, you can install any version of software you can install. Okay, in one computer. In one computer, you can install any software. That means any type of version software you can install. So you can install Oracle 10G, Oracle 11G, Oracle 2C. These three different types of versions you will be maintained in your computer. Nothing problem. And so many people thinking that what now? One software, that means Oracle is already installed now. So second time you cannot install into that. Okay. So that is absolutely wrong, guys. So your wish, you can install your Oracle software with any number of editions. Okay. You can install Express Edition. You can install Express Enterprise Edition. Again, I'm also telling, again, you have to install like Enterprise Edition. 10G you can install, Enterprise Edition, 12C you can install, Enterprise Edition, 19C also you can install. Okay, any version, any number of times you can install, nothing problem. Okay, now, so this is what it will be happen. And now generally in real time in companies. So definitely we want to use for a development partner. So if you want to develop your application with a full-fledged, okay, so what it's our priority is here, enterprise edition is our priority. Okay, na? So now that I'm going to taking here, so here I can take like not to download. I just give you the version will be changed here. Types of Oracle, types of Oracle software editions. Okay, na? Types of Oracle software editions. So these are we called. So two types of edition. What is what understand now? So, but your practicing level, your wish Express edition and enterprise. But why I'm prefer enterprise edition means Express edition, you can't full-fledged, you can't work and you can't practice. Okay, na? So when you have a enterprise edition, so complete whatever we are discussing in our syllabus, okay, SQL, PLSQL, dynamic SQL, okay, whatever we are discussing, all languages supportable you want data, then go for enterprise edition with all the features. Okay, na? Without missing any type of feature, without missing, I can implement. Okay, right. These are the two editions, guys, in a real world. So Oracle software is available in two editions. Okay, right. Now we will see how to download Oracle 19C. I'm using what I said, Enterprise Edition. Okay, how to download Oracle 19C Enterprise Edition. Okay, let me come out and see. Actually, no. This is a free of cost, guys, here. So free licensed version. There is no need to pay anything. Okay, right. So now I'm giving one small link. I'm going to use this. Okay, right. So carefully observe. So this is a direct link I'm going to give it to you. Okay, so now you can see this is the link. Okay, the link also I just copy here. Okay, I'm going to copy this link for your easiness purpose. I copy this. Okay, now I'm going to paste now. Okay, this is complete your okay the what we call the address. Okay, now and I'm going to downloading from Oracle. Okay, .com. This is the official website of Oracle. From there, I'm going to downloading database technologies, and the version is 19C Windows operating system supportable. Okay, now. So now after this link was directly copy paste into your URL address bar. So here I copy paste here in my browser. Okay, so now after that, you will be first thing is Oracle 19C for Microsoft Windows 64-bit. And of course, this is supportable only 64-bit, guys, here. Windows operating system 64-bit, not 32-bit. And of course, nowadays 32-bit is not available in the market. So 32-bit is completely outdated present in the market. Okay, initial 32-bit initially you have some like desktops are there. Okay, but nowadays almost everything is laptops and LED types. Yes or no? So 32 is outdated, and so all are coming with a 64-bit by default nowadays. Okay, and this is the link, guys. Okay, now this is can see the blue color link was there. And what you want to do after going to this page, you just click on this link. I'm just click on this link. What it was happen, you can see. I just click on this link, and immediately when you click on this link, it doesn't ask you. It doesn't go to direct to download. See this button, whatever the download button was there, this is not in the activate mode. This is not in the activate mode. So this is called a disable mode here. It's not enable, it's a disable. So that's why what you want to do here, one checkbox is there. Can you find out checkbox here? Reviewed and accept Oracle license agreement. Okay, so the checkbox is there. So when you accept or activate this checkbox, what happens? You can see I'm going to activate. Once you activate this, then can you see your download button will be coming to the enable position. So now it was coming to the enable position. Okay, now if you remove this, Okay, it is a disable position. So now if you remove this, it is a disable position. If you select this, then it will be enable position. Understand now? Yes. After that, click on this download button. So I'm clicking on this. Okay. I clicked on. What happened, you can see. Yes. When you click on what it was asking to us, sign in. Oracle account sign in. Enter your username and password. And after enter your user credentials and click on sign in button, then only your software, okay, downloading is started. Then only your software download is started. Okay, na? So without user ID password, you cannot download this software. Okay. But sir, I don't have any account of Oracle. But sir, I don't have any account of Oracle, sir. Then how I can go to sign in? How I can go to login? Okay. Now you can come out and see. Here, create account is there. Okay. Is a create account is there. Okay, na? Right. This create account you just go to click on. So I just go to click on create account. When you click on create account, what it was, you can see you will get some registration form, you will be get it. You will get some registration form, will be get it. Okay, you will get some registration form. And these are all the details you just go to download, or that means you fulfill now. Okay, now these are all the statements will be fulfilled. So I'm going to fulfill now. Okay, what it was asking to me, email address, your existing email address you can enter. Okay, then password create here. Select these all the details. But sir, you are saying that, sir, we don't know what we want to enter, how to fulfill. Okay. Here, just I'm going to, okay, I'm giving information, just a general information I'm giving. So it's not necessary to give it exact information. So general information you can give it. What is general information, sir? So now email address, it should be, for example, my address will be sudhakar@gmail.com. Okay, now this is confirmed. This is good. This is real. Okay, the valued, okay, valued, okay, the valued mail ID can give it. Understand now? Valid, not dummy. Okay, so Sudhakar Naresh Reddy, this is a valid present working this. And then after you can prepare your password. You can prepare your password. Okay, you can prepare your password. So the password is your choice. The password is your choice. Understand? Na? The password is your choice. So after preparing your password, okay, na, then you can come on. This is sample I'm telling, okay, na? Then it will come to country. Country, select your country, okay, whatever it was. And first name, something I'm giving Sudhakar, and last name I'm giving here something. Okay, right. So job title, you can give it a software engineer. Work phone, something work phone. Okay, the work phone is not original here. Some dummy phone number you can give it. Okay, now company name Naresh Shetty, you can give no problem. Naresh Shetty, address Hyderabad, city Hyderabad. Select your state or provision, some Gujarat or something you can select, whatever it was as your wish. So the Telangana, Andhra, Gujarat, okay, Maharashtra, whatever you want to select. Zip postal, something zip postal. Zip postal is also not original, yes or no? Just one dummy. Okay, I'm going to enter. After fulfill this all, okay, then come back to create account. So once you click on create account, what it was happen here, which mail ID are you given here? Here, which mail ID are you given here? To the mail, you confirmation letter. That means to get to your mail ID are given there. So to that mail, you will get some confirmation. Okay, what is the confirmation? Successfully Oracle account is created. So successfully Oracle account is created. So after created, okay, successfully Oracle account is created. After created, what you want to do, then this user ID, whatever I was given, and password. Okay, this two user and password, go to login page. Go to login page. Understand? Na? So whatever the user ID are you given here, this is just copy and paste into your login profile. Okay, then password, whatever you given that, whatever you given that, the password you can enter. And after that, you just sign in. Once you sign in, then your downloading process will be started here. Okay, now once user ID, username, and password is going to be signed in, download process will be started. Okay, now so this is what the downloading mechanism. Okay, first what you want to do. So I'm giving some. This is our account. I'm giving to you. Okay, so complete what we called this is our link. So direct this link will be copy paste into your user address bar. Okay, now then after you will get some okay, okay, what we called the version. That means the data like you will get and click on this. It will be click on here. What it was happen when you click on here, it will be asking okay login profile, and login profile is not there. So that's how you can create with the login account after create. So some general, this is normal information, not exactly accuracy, not necessary. General, what is what general, you can give it some number. Okay, now right after that, that user ID password you can use to login purpose. So this is okay downloading process, guys. Okay, after downloading, how you will be get it means. So now you can see you will get this is okay. This is what we called Oracle 19C folder. In which format it will be getting now? In which format? It is a rare format. Okay, na? It is a which format? ZIP. Okay, WinRAR or ZIP format you will get it. So this ZIP format of data, you just select, click here, and you see, can you see extract files are there? Extract files are there. So on this extract file, you just click on that. When you click on and complete your okay, downloading software will be extracted. Download software will be extracted. Then you will get a normal folder. Okay, now then you will get a normal folder, and through that normal folder, you start to okay. Suppose I just go okay. So I just try to open now what it was happening. You can see. Okay, yeah. So you will be get like this after open normal folder. In the normal folder, here can you find out your setup? Setup is there? Come on, guys. After extract your file, here what it is here? Setup. Setup is there. exe file. Setup exe file is there. Okay. And this file, you have to click on that. So when you double click on that, now your setup wizard will be open. So now double click on that, it will be cancelled here. When you double click here, so now started here. Your okay installation process will be starting now. Okay, but how to do installation, I will tell you. I will show you in my class. Okay, don't worry. Up to your clear now. So up to your clear now, what we want to do. So through this site, you just go to download and downloading levels. Okay, so you need to go for create account and through user ID password, download it. After downloading, it was coming to which folder here? You will be download. Step 1, download. Step 1, download. After downloading, GIF folder will come to you. GIF folder, what I want to do, unzip or else extract. Unzip or else extract. Then after whatever the video I'm showing to you, whatever the video I'm sending to you, that video as it is follow for installation. Okay, now first I'm showing installation how to do, and each and every step I will explain to you what you want to do. After that, you have to same as usual follow to me. Okay, same as usual follow to me. Okay, right. So this is the pattern. Okay, these steps also I'm giving now. Yeah, definitely. I'm sending this all to you. Okay. Yes, these are the download steps here. Step 1, download this. Okay, clear now? Right. So now I'm going to sending this in your present. I'm sending into chat box. All of you open your chat box. All of you open your chat box. In chat box, I'm going to sending this link. Okay, and the link and the steps. Link and steps, I send it. Go for guys. All of you open your chat box, and the link has came to you. So through that link, you can download. Okay. So this is now after downloading is over, you successfully downloaded. Okay, then I will show you installation. So today, what you want to do, you guys, so in an evening or night session, so you just download it. Okay, na download it, and after downloading, what I said, GIF folder. It was coming out a GIF folder. So the GIF folder, you just keep it and extract. Extract means unzip. Unzip you do. That's it. Unzip you do and keep it. Tomorrow I will show you how we can do on installation, how we can do installation, and installation purpose, what kind of software requirements, what kind of hardware requirements are needed to installing of Oracle 19c Enterprise Edition. What kind of software requirements are, that's called a minimum requirements. Okay, na minimum requirements of software, minimum requirements of hardware, so that I will show you. Then after installation process will be explaining to you. Okay, na so that will be happening in tomorrow class. But you, what you want to do now, so already you have a link, through that link, download your software and keep in your laptops, and tomorrow whatever I'm telling, as usual, follow it. Okay, now, right? So this is what it was. Yeah, of course, C drive or D drive, so but space available or not, check it. Okay, now space available, check it. So at least in your uh, is minimum 5 GB space available. Okay, na? At least 5 GB memory should be available. Okay, na? First downloading will go for somewhere, and take the downloading into, okay, cut and paste into either not C drive, go for any D drive. So D drive you can go to cut into paste. Okay, then installation time, installation path we will set as a C drive. Installation path we will be set into C drive. Okay, na? Right. So that I will show you tomorrow. Don't hurry, burry. First download it. Okay, whatever today I'm telling to you. So whatever I showed now, so same as this, you just download and keep. Okay, na? Tomorrow I will show you some explanation. You can understand. Okay, right, guys. So I stop it here, and okay, the remaining things we will go to discuss. And tomorrow we will see installation process as well as the minimum requirements of software and hardware. Okay, right, guys. So thank you so much. And if any queries are there, you can stay. No queries, log out. Sudarshan, yeah, it will be started offline classes also there, but 1 week it will take online classes. Okay, na? Then after we will go for offline also. So Monish, actually Mac operating system through it is not available. Yes, correct. That's why you have to do one. Windows you can go to take. Okay, Windows you can go to take. Otherwise, tomorrow I will give one person mobile number, networking person mobile number. You just ask them, okay, whether it is available on Mac or not. Okay, right. If it is, they will available means they will send you that OS Mac OS link. Okay, right. Ganesh, sir, classroom link. Classroom link is not created, Ganesh, as of now. Maybe I'm going. Oh, I already informed to them, but maybe they will be finishing once your registrations and once your complete batch will be formed. Then they will be make it a Google Classroom. Okay. So once they created this entire notes, I will send it to you. Okay. Don't worry. Yeah, definitely. Abdul, all Oracle PLSQL as well as SQL and PLSQL, both I'm going to covering in this. Okay, na? So a complete course of Oracle, not SQL part, complete part. Okay, right. Or anybody is there, guys, online students, if have a queries, you can ask, otherwise log out. Yeah. Karan, that's correct. Actually, today, not only your class, some other classes also, some networking issues are happened. So maximum, okay, I will avoid that problem. Okay, it will not get to you. Okay, right. So few more days, you just uh, online classes only there. Then after it will be offline. Okay, na? Right. No need, no need. Divya, suppose you are already installed 21C, you are installing in a very latest version, so there is nothing problem. You just keep it as it is, okay, and you just keep it as it is, okay. And whatever tomorrow I'm showing that, you just follow that, okay. Right. Installation not a big changes, it's very minor changes. If that is following the same as it is, 21 also same as it is installation process, okay, na? There's nothing change. No SQL, Raghu, no SQL. This is not a part of NoSQL, okay? Na? Because NoSQL is nothing but that I said now MongoDB. MongoDB called as a NoSQL. So this is Oracle is not comes under NoSQL. I already explained to you, okay? Na? Oracle is completely and purely it is a SQL dependable. So already see object relational. Object relational means what I said here. It completely depends on SQL, okay? Na? Not NoSQL means what it was come NoSQL MongoDB, but MongoDB course is not this. Okay, MongoDB if you want it, you can separately join other courses, MongoDB courses. Okay, right. Yeah, video link I will give it Akash. So sir, video link. Yeah, definitely. Tomorrow I will first explain to that. After that, the video I'm sending to you. Okay, na? First I will explain what is what you want to do. Okay, right. Yeah. This Saturday, maybe I don't know. So I will inform. I will inform tomorrow. I will tell you whether there or not there. Okay, right. Uh, Ashish, you just keep it like this. Ashish Kumar, sir, I forgot my password after installation. What should I do? No, don't do anything. You just keep it like this, and I will show you once you forgot it your password and how we can recover. Okay, na your password, how we can recover that mechanism, that procedure. I will show you. Okay, so based on that, you can recover your password what you forgot it. Understand, na? Don't worry about that. But don't uninstall. Keep it that as it is. Okay. I will tell you how to recover password. Maybe current it will take the 10 days or it will take 10 days of time or 10 days or 2 weeks of time it will take to come out into next level, next batch. Okay. Right. Yeah, simple. Okay. Barik. Okay. Don't worry. That I will show you. You just give me one day. Okay. Tomorrow, complete whatever your doubts are there about installations, how to see that everything I will show you. Okay. Just give me one day time. Okay. Tomorrow, complete class I will explain to you. Okay. Right. Bhargavi, here we are not going to be coloning and patching. These are DBA courses. In a DBA courses, it will be come to you, patchings and cloning. Okay, na? But here we are covering performance tuning concepts are we are covered into this. Okay, clonings and patchings are not in the part of okay application in the part of database admin batch. Okay, right. And performance tuning, sir, we will cover with the basic what we can say concepts like indexes, views, procedures. Okay, with the help of these concepts, we can go to tune our the performance of what we can say query or application. Okay, that will be come to you. But these are okay cloning, patching, okay RSC. These are all are comes under DB. Okay, right. Suresh, that's I said, Naresh IT, you can enter into any. That is not as accurate information. Okay, dummy information give it. Okay, no problem. Dummy information give it. Okay, right. Create your own, Prashant. You create your own mail. Okay, mail password don't give your own password. Give it now. Passwords are your wish now. You can give any password, right? There is no any reason. There is not restriction now. Yeah. I'm going to sending all the notes, Rahman. Okay. Notes still Google Classroom is not given to me. Okay. So once people are given to me, and then I will go for okay. Okay. I will send this entire notes to you. Okay. Na? Right. Sudarshan, after completion of this complete or SQL and PLSQL, okay, then you will be take the position like the SQL developer. or PLSQL programmer, okay, Oracle developer, Oracle programmer. So these positions you can apply. Okay, na? Right. Okay, guys, and tomorrow, okay, again, I will meet you, okay? So with the installation process, I will explain to you tomorrow, okay, na? Right, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.